My hair feels so soft and silky. Ugh. Okay, hair care done. She might want to reconsider that. I think your hair is falling out. Huh? That's my hair? No! Relax. I was just pranking you. It's fake. Huh? Not cool. Well, give me that. I'm keeping this. From prank to project. Now watch. This is how legends craft revenge. This part's a little bit tricky. Loop the hair and secure it with a hair tie. We need 2 of these. Just wrapping one more strand to tie it all together. And it's a bow. But wait, I'm not done yet. Introducing the one-of-a-kind hair ring. Get it? Earring? Wow! Those are so pretty! Those are for me, right? No, you pranked me, remember? Ugh. Aha! Huh? What are you doing? Okay, see you after school! Whoa! I'm sorry! No! Hey! Huh? Ah! Ah! What did you do? It was my favorite skirt! And this was my favorite shirt! It's ruined! Huh? The class! We can't go looking like this! I need to hide the stain! You think these work? Nuh-uh. What do you think? No way. Let's change. Okay. We look worse than before. I agree. Time for plan C, I guess. This is too large for me. Aw, same! Wait, I have an idea. What? Show me. Watch this. Time to go from extra large to extra legendary. The best t-shirt transformation you'll ever see. I think I just made the coolest hoodie ever. Your turn. Wow! Well, thanks. No need for compliments. I know I'm a genius. Let me try. I'm feeling inspired. But you know I'm not gonna turn this into a hoodie. Ta-da! And just like that, it's a skirt. Of course I'll accessorize it. One oversized tee and a seriously cute belt. That's all I need. Comfy, cute, and seriously chic. Am I right? Oh, absolutely. It's slayin'. Good job, team. We're ready. Let's go. I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. Wow. Is that necklace new? Looks gorgeous. Yep. I want a sparkly heart necklace, too. Long live punk! Huh? No rules. Can I borrow that? Sure, princess. Thanks. I'll give it back later. Hey, can I use that for a second? Please? Sure, why not? Here you go. Thank you. I'm gonna use it for a fashion hack. Trust me, it's such a simple and fun process. Time to paint. Warning, this is gonna get messy. You can't make something great with clean hands. I picked 2 bold, contrasting colors to make it pop. And done! Hey, thanks for letting me borrow this. Wow, I love the shirt you made with it. Thanks! I'm so proud of my work. My shirt is my accessory. Hello, everyone! Huh? Who is responsible for this? You? Huh? Uh-oh. You ruined the poster! It wasn't me! Detention! Just my luck. Ugh! These pants are a fashion trap! Whoa! Watch out! Huh? No! Ouch! I'm so sorry. Are you alright? No. These pants must be designed by a giraffe. You should do something about that. Actually, let me help. Just a quick fold and you're not a walking hazard anymore. I think I uncovered a disaster. Don't judge. Oh, I know. We can't let anyone else see those clown socks. This'll do the trick. Let's wrap the tape around your ankle like this. And that's it. I'm not so sure about this. I can't walk around the school with my pants taped. I don't know what else to do. Huh? Oh, wait a second. I'll use my necklace. How? Let me show you. I hope you know what you're doing. Don't worry, it'll work. Right leg, done. Can I use your necklace too? But… please? Fine. But you'll owe me big time. Take it before I change my mind. You're the best, thank you! Huh. Okay, not bad. Right? Maybe I might even start a trend. I finally feel comfortable. Thanks! Bye! Wait! Next page… It's break time! Yes, finally! Hey, I don't know about you, but I'm so hungry. I can give you something to eat. Oh no! My banana did not survive the school day! Oh, yikes. And it ruined my bag! It looks like the banana exploded in here! Ugh! Ew! I need to put my stuff somewhere else. Hey, use this! Really? Thanks. Let's clean. Huh? Wait! I have a better idea! Good thing I decided to wear these bracelets today. DIY mode activated. These'll make the most adorable bag handles. You might want to watch this part carefully. I mean, have you seen my knotting skills? Unmatched. I'm such a pro at this. One more knot and done. Look! Cutest bag ever! Wow! So pretty! Who needs designer when you've got creativity? That bag is magic! Bye! But what about my snack? Where is everyone? Oh, you made it! But your outfit? What about it? The beauty contest is today, remember? Oh no! Gotta rush! I totally forgot! I can't wear these to the contest. What am I gonna do? Huh? Maybe I can make something with this. Trying wouldn't hurt, right? This might take a while. And a lot of tape. Who needs fabric? Not me. Tight? Yep. Trendy? Also yep. It turned out much better than I expected. And it sure makes a statement. I sure feel runway ready in this dress. Let's go win a contest. Hope you're ready for a little sparkle. Red is classic for a reason. Mwah! Hello, judges. Bet you've never seen a dress like this. It's custom made. All that effort for nothing! Aw. Oh. Hey, are you okay? I really wanted to win! We can be winners together. Aw. Thank you. You're so kind. Hey, all yours. Really? Thanks! Let's go! Oh, a message from Vanessa. I sure am. Time to get out of here. I better be quick. Bye! Stop! Not so fast. Is something wrong? Let me have a look at you. What are you wearing? Are you serious? I am just the thing. Put this on. How did you do that? I hate this. It suits you. This is so unfair. Look at me. It looks terrible. Wait a second. I have an idea! I can turn this into something special. I'll start by putting one sleeve on. I'll fold the collar over. Now I'll fold the bottom over. I'll tie it around my waist. Just like this. Wow! What an improvement! This is more like it. I'm looking good. And feeling great. Okay, let's go! I don't want to be late. Snacks make school much easier. Yummy marshmallows. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Hello, class! Huh? Nothing can ruin this moment. I want more! They're delicious. Do you mind? Wait, what's this? No candy in class! Get out! Is this a joke? Fine, I'll go. I guess she's not a candy fan. I can't put them in the trash. They're too tasty. What am I doing? I better get back into class. I won't forget you, marshmallows. Wait, I've got it. I know what to do. I can't leave you. You mean too much to me. I'll need edible ink. I'll start to draw on the marshmallow. I'll draw 2 circles. These will be the eyes. Then a happy smile. I'll do the same with the rest. This is fun. That's the last one. Next, I'll slide them onto a pencil. Wow, they look great! And yummy. And teacher will never know. Here goes. Oh, you're back. I'm on a candy hunt. No candy here. Are you sure? Wow, I take rules pretty seriously. These are erasers. Let me show you. See? Definitely not candy. Okay then. It's a candy-free zone. That's what she thinks. That was close. This candy is so juicy. Hey, what's wrong? What is it? I'm on candy patrol. No candy will get by me. She took my candy! I've got some here. Enjoy it while you can. I love my job. Whoa, she's mean. I can't let her get my candy. What am I gonna do? Hold on. I can use my notebook. Yeah, this might work. I'll give it a try. I'll take the binder off the notebook. I'll thread a gummy worm through the holes. I'll press the ends together. I'll make sure it's secure. This needs to be perfect. I have to fool the teacher. That's the last one. It looks just like a regular notebook. Wow, that's amazing! Come on, let's go. Good luck! Stop! She's onto us! What have you got there? Is that candy? This? No, no way! You know the rules. I'm so scared! Be cool! You can go in. What good students. I wish everyone was like them. We did it! I knew it would work! It's snack time! I think we've earned it. This is for you. Oh, thanks! Okay, my turn. It tastes great! Time for class. Check out my new notebook. Oh, please. I'm not finished. This pencil case is so cute. Am I supposed to be impressed? Wait until you see this. It's a pencil case and a poppet. It's okay to be jealous. Wait, where are my pens? So embarrassing. There's a hole in it. It just gets better. How did this happen? Let me think. I'll use this pencil. It's so fluffy. Whoa, look at that. It's so ordinary. Quit laughing. I'll show you. I'll make some improvements. No one laughs at me. See how you like this. It was sabotage. How could you? I need to fix this. I enjoyed every second. That was so not cool. Look at this. It's all junk. Or is it? Hey, stop laughing. I can't help it. Oh, so it's like that? I'll place my notebook on the table. Then I'll add glue to it. Then I'll stick a ribbon to it. I'll make little gaps. Then I can put my stationery in. It's perfect. Everything is in one place. I've got everything I need. Wait until Julie sees this. What the? Yeah, I thought so. It's better than any pencil case. How did you do that? This is so unfair. Oh, I feel awful. Achoo! Whoa, that was loud. It's not my fault. I'm gonna sneeze again. Achoo! Hey, be careful. What is it? Cover your nose. It was an accident. Achoo! Whoa, flying snot. That was so gross. Whoa, time's going fast. I better finish this classwork. Uh-oh, here comes another one. Don't do it! No! Look out! Mayday! Mayday! It's a snot tornado! What is wrong with you? Look at my classwork. It's out of control. I need to move desks. Achoo! Now where was I? Hold on. I know what to do. I'll use my 3D pen. I'll draw a love heart. Then I'll do other shapes. I'm feeling creative. This is going well. These look so colorful. They're my new paper clips. It'll keep my classwork all together. And it'll look wonderful. I'm so happy. I can't wait to try them. Let's do this. It'll solve all my problems. Whoa! Look at them! They're so pretty! I know, right? And they work perfectly. And the best part? They're totally sneeze-proof. Wow! Achoo! See? It works. You're a genius! Nice job! Thanks. I think we've got everything. Well, not everything. We've still to pack the important stuff. We can't forget it. My favorite. I think we're ready. Let's go. You read my mind. Whew, we made it. I thought we were gonna be late. I need a quick snack. Can't resist. I always bring my brush to class. Oh, I know. I love chocolate. Yum, yum. Let's begin, class. Uh-oh, the teacher! Julie? Stop! Is that chocolate? No eating in class. Look at the sign. You're in big trouble. Please don't take the chocolate. It's mine now. I'm disappointed. At least I have my snacks. I'm so hungry. Wait a second. That brush reminds me of something. Yeah, a plan is forming. Give me that. Hey, quit it! Hand it over! Ew, gross. Is that my hair? This day just gets worse. Be quiet. I better get to work. I'll remove the bristles from the brush. I'll need a cupcake. I'll place fondant over it. It matches the brush. Then I'll push my pocky sticks in. I'll need a lot more. It needs to look like a brush. Ta-da! Pretty good, huh? Julie, you need to see this. Here you go. Oh, a brush. You'll like this one, trust me. Oh, I get it. I'll take a bite. It tastes amazing. What are you doing? Are you eating a brush? Act natural. Just brushing my hair. That seems normal. That was close. School can be tough. Sometimes you just need a sweet treat, and that's where we come in. What's your best sneaky candy hack? Let us know in the comments. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.